Found a UPI file linked to PhotoImpact and unsure how to use it? This is a plugin extension for Ulead's classic image editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and run these Ulead PhotoImpact plugin files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the UPI error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. UPI files are plugin files for Ulead PhotoImpact, a popular image editing application from the late 1990s and 2000s. They extend PhotoImpact with custom filters, effects tools, and automation features installed into the application's plugin directory to provide additional creative capabilities for photo editing. UPI files use a Windows DLL-based plugin format following Ulead's PhotoImpact plugin. SDK specifications with custom resource sections for filter parameters, preview thumbnails, and registration data. The format implements PhotoImpact's plugin API entry points for menu integration, parameter dialogs, and image processing operations. The direct link for opening UPI files is established with Apple iPhoto from Apple. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows may see the file, but its functionality emerges only when loaded in the host app. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the UPI file and click Open With. Test Apple iPhoto if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If the UPI file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, installing in PhotoImpact. Copy the UPI plugin file to the PhotoImpact plugins directory, typically located at Program Files Ulead PhotoImpact plugins. Restart PhotoImpact and the new plugin appears under the Effects or Filter menu. Select it to access the plugin's image processing features and apply effects to your open photos. Next, resolving compatibility. Older UPI plugins may not function properly on modern Windows versions. Run PhotoImpact in Windows XP compatibility mode by right-clicking the executable and adjusting Properties compatibility settings. For 64-bit Windows, ensure you're running the 32-bit PhotoImpact, as UPI plugins generally don't support 64-bit application architectures. Finally, modern alternatives. Migrate to actively developed alternatives like Adobe Photoshop with its plugin ecosystem, GIMP with Python plugins, or Affinity Photo with macros. While UPI plugins won't work in these applications, equivalent effects often exist as built-in features or plugins for the modern image editing platforms supporting current operating systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.